Tired of staring at the connection failed screen on Fivem? Today, we're diving into how to troubleshoot those pesky Fivem connection errors, getting you back in the action fast. First things first, let's check the basics. Make sure your Fivem application is fully updated. Sometimes a simple update fixes everything. You may see a prompt stating, Fivem needs to update. Accept the update and restart Fivem. Next, verify that your Grand Theft Auto 5 game is updated. Outdated game files are a frequent cause for these errors. Next, consider the server you are trying to connect to. Before anything else, check the server status. Maybe the server is down for maintenance. Look for their website or social media channels for any announcements or information. If the server is online, great. If it's down, you can't connect. A common culprit is your firewall. It might be blocking Fivem from connecting for Windows users. This means checking the Windows Defender firewall to determine whether Fivem has the necessary permissions from your operating system. You'll want to ensure that inbound and outbound connections are allowed for Fivem. This will allow communication to and from the internet for Fivem, allowing the connection to a server. If you've checked all of these steps one by one, and you are still receiving the connection error, it's time to try a fresh restart. Reboot your computer and give it another shot. With a little persistence, you'll be back in the game in no time. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more Fivem tips. Happy gaming!